Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to share how we can achieve an elegant, cost-effective, and easy to create fall tablescape by adding organic elements and repurposing items that we might have in our homes. It's going to be a fun and constructive video that you will not want to miss out. The first item to think of when it comes to any table setting is whether you are using a table runner or a tablecloth. It's so important to add softness and an extra layer. Most of the time I gravitate towards runners, and I have this chiffon in this mauvey pink that I believe it will complement so well the following items. This one I use for my Easter tablescape, which also brings 6 napkins from Amazon at an affordable price. Next, instead of buying an expensive garland, we can create our own with what nature has to offer. I have this maple tree in my backyard, and it has this rich burgundy eggplant leaves that I've incorporated in my fall decor for this year. As you can see, with just a few stems, we are going to create our fall garland for this fall 2023. Now for the table setting, I'm using my all-time favorite woven placemats that bring so much warmth and texture to the table. These are from HomeGoods, but I will link similar ones from Amazon in the description down below. Now for our garland, just inspect those stems. You don't want little intruders on your tablescape. You can also use fall stems to create a garland as well. Now, since these are natural stems, they could be tricky to manipulate because you can really bend them. So I am cutting some of the stems without leaves and then placing them flat, starting at the end of the table, and then place the next one on top to cover the stem. Let me take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Cindy, and I share home decor, home organization, entertaining ideas, some cooking, motherhood, and all things home related. And it will be an honor to have you a part of this community. If you are liking the video so far, please give me a thumbs up. It will help this channel tremendously. Now it's time to layer in lighting, which in my opinion is one of the most important elements of a tablescape. It just provides the perfect ambience no matter what theme you are creating. These set of 3 taper candle holders are metal from Amazon, under $17 for a set of 3. So I'm adding 2 sets here. To continue with our plate setting, I'm using a classic white dinner plate followed by a matte black salad plate to complement the black from the candle holders. When choosing your color palette, always try to use the colors at least 2 to 3 times throughout the table. This way your tablescape will be cohesive and harmoniously. For the napkins, I'm just going to tie a loose knot for a soft and casual look. Another way to make this tablescape affordable is by purchasing your candles at Hobby Lobby. These are only $1.29 each, and they have a wide variety. Also, I purchased these burgundy with the rib design last year at the Dollar Tree. If you've seen them this year, let me know down in the comments. Another item that we can add to our design is dry and fresh fruits or veggies. So I have these sweet and delicious pears and apples that I'm going to spread out on our garland. The pears will complement our candles with their rich tan color. Now, if you have an autumn potpourri that you haven't been using, like I did, now is the time to add to your tablescape. This will give so much contrast and visual interest. This assortment has all the earthy tones of fall, not to mention their strong cinnamon aroma. Speaking of dry fruits, let me share this easy recipe that I did last year for the holidays. Dehydrated citrus. I use grapefruit for this recipe. There are so many ways to use it. You can garnish your cocktails, create your own potpourri, as garlands, as ornaments. The possibilities are endless. So we are cutting thin slices. We're gonna line up a baking pan with parchment paper, and with a paper towel, you want to pat those slices on both sides to remove the excess liquid, and this will speed up the cooking process. And then put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 4 hours, flipping them in between, and you will get the perfect dry fruit for the holidays. Another inexpensive and popular item for the holiday season are cinnamon sticks. And Hobby Lobby have 2 different sizes starting at $5.99 a pack. And as you might know, their Christmas decor is currently 50% off. I used plenty of these last year, and this year is no exception. This adds an organic warmth feel to your decor.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
I hope that you have enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful for this autumn season. Thank you for being here. Please follow me on Instagram at Inspiration by CP. I would like to say thank you to all of you that support this channel. It means the world to me. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.